Make a 5-finger loop bubble. Repeat to make a total of 5. That makes a 5-petal flower. Make another 5-petal flower with 4-finger loops, and one more 5-petal flower with 3-finger loops. Make a 1.5-finger double bubble. Repeat to make 5 sets. Make a 1-finger round bubble. Deflating, leaving a little air near the stars. Assemble the stars and the 3 5-petal flowers together. Make 3 4-finger loop bubbles. Leave 5 fingers of air. Deflate the rest and tie off. Attach it to the tree. Make some small round bubbles in different sizes. Decorate them on the Christmas tree.